Hi, hopping on here to show you the new makeup eraser cloth. It's super soft. It's got two sides and they are slightly different. So after reading the directions, the side with the tag helps exfoliate your skin a little bit. And then the side without the tag is the side that helps you remove your makeup. So I did use this last night. And then I just hung it out to dry on my towel hanger on the back of my door. So I'm gonna do it today again because I'm wearing some of my tougher lip color, Lipsense, and I'm wearing a waterproof mascara. So I really wanna see how this holds up to that because yesterday I wasn't wearing a waterproof mascara and it came off really well. So the directions come with this. All you have to do is add water. And you want to wet it with warm water, wring it out a little bit so it's damp but not dripping, and then we're going to use the tagless side to remove the makeup. One thing I do like is it has this little notch, which I used to hang it up last night, but I find I also can put a few fingers in there and it helps give me a little bit of resistance to help me get. I'm gonna start to remove. Oh wow, all that color is almost gone, and look, you can hardly see it on there. Making sure I get in all my nooks and crannies. No, this is not cleaning my face. It is simply removing the makeup, okay? So I am gonna have to follow up with my normal skincare routine. All right, going in here for the eyes. I'm gonna get it wet just a little bit more. And I'm just gonna lightly rub my eyes. You do not want to scrub at your eyes ever, no matter what you're doing or putting on them. Your lashes are really sensitive. Your eye area in general is really sensitive. So you just wanna make sure you're not putting too much pressure on that. You can see it's almost off of there. All right, I think I'm almost done. All right, there we go. So as you can see, I've got a clean face. I went back in there with a little bit of eye makeup remover, and as you can see, nothing came off. So I got all my makeup. Time to go do the rest of my routine. Bye.